There's nothing worse than losing your motivation halfway. You'll feel confused and lost. Even when you already have a goal, maintaining motivation is still very important. If you lose it, your next actions toward that goal simply won't continue. This video will give you 7 instantly useful and long-lasting motivation methods. Before we start, don't forget to like and share if you find Mr. Thinking Differently's video helpful. 1. Bring the candle inside. It's easy to understand when I compare motivation to a candle. If you leave that candle outside, even a light breeze can blow it out. That candle represents your burning motivation. You have to bring it inside. Anyone who hates you or any wind that passes by won't be able to blow it out. It's a metaphor for how your motivation must come from within. I've had enough. I want to escape this situation gives you 20 times more drive than some random person online said I should do this. 2. Don't drink seawater when you're thirsty. Have you ever noticed the successful people around you, even on social media? I'll emphasize this, they have no chance to give up. Either they have an extremely big goal or they have no way back. They're forced to grab a brick or an old shoe under their feet as a weapon to move forward. Those with big enough goals also won't hesitate to charge straight at them and fight. You'll make a mistake if you keep chasing instant motivation. It's like seawater that only quenches your thirst for a moment. A while later, you'll be in pain. The third method will help you escape that. Momentum from small commitments. You're not lacking ability. You're not lacking resources. You just haven't clearly seen how to enjoy each small success. Today, write down 5 small, important things you need to do. When it's time to read or go for a run, add 1 more small commitment to your special inner self. I commit to reading 10 pages within 15 minutes. During that time, I won't use Instagram or watch Reels or Shorts, and then sign your name underneath. When you complete one goal, you'll gain more motivation to move toward the next one. That's how you kill each target and grow your confidence. 4. Know clearly what you're craving. The truth is, you can't crave something if you don't know exactly what you want to see. For example, I can't set a goal like I want to play 5 fingerstyle solos on the guitar unless I've already played 1 song or practiced for at least a week. Otherwise, I can't even picture what that goal looks like. In that case, I'll just try to practice slowly, break it down, and learn to play more songs. Your goal is the same. You need some small exposure to it before you can picture it clearly. Just do it, be confident. If not, then you must clearly visualize exactly what you want. 5. Use your imagination. Have you ever thought about what your life would be like if you made $10,000 a month? Or to make it simpler, I imagine myself being able to play 5 songs on the guitar. I'd play them for my girlfriend and then, guess what happens next? When you imagine your life after achieving your goals, you'll gain even more motivation to accomplish the next ones. Visualize more realistically once you've imagined what your life would be like, making $10K a month. Write down what you need to do to get closer to that goal. This is very practical. Your mind already knows the target and what you want. The next step is simply to get up and start walking. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It'll never come. The final step will help you truly enjoy the journey. 7. Playfully tease your own failures. Don't be too serious and sometimes laugh a little. Learn to joke about your own failures. Positivity will give you more drive to keep going. While training for a half marathon, I was too impatient and kept pushing my pace, getting injured multiple times. I told myself, maybe I forgot to rest, so this is my chance to relax. And I smiled at my injury. Because if you push further then, all you're really giving yourself is a ticket to the hospital. After resting a few days, a week, guess what? I learned my lesson and came back to training normally. The result? I ran 21 km at a 6:30 pace per kilometer, sub 2:20. I hope what I've shared will be good fuel for you to move toward your goals. I believe in your ability, and you shouldn't doubt yourself either. If you found this clip useful and enjoyable, please give me a like and subscribe to motivate me to make the next videos. Mr. Thinking Differently sincerely thanks you.